Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Any man who thinks he can be happy and prosperous by letting the government take care of him better take a closer look at the American Indian. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. I'm looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. Sometimes you just don't like somebody. Experience is the thing of supreme value. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Failure is the opportunity to begin again, only more intelligently. Power and machinery, money and goods, are useful only as they set us free to live. True education is gained through the discipline of life. There. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. The biggest goal can be achieved if you simply break it down into enough small pots. If you keep a record of all your failures, you will soon have a list of everything which cannot be done.